Hello. Good day everyone. I am Jerzen. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is in Samsung model ua43n5003arxxp page version BB02. The symptom of this TV is no image, with backlight. You can help this channel grow by watching this video till the end, and clicking the subscribe button to update on my next video. So let's get started. The vertical strip lines is also displays on the screen. Let's unplug and check the voltages inside. The VCC has 11.89 volts, that is too close into 12 volts, which is okay. The VGH has 33.23 volts, which is okay. The VGL has negative 9.3 volts, which is okay. Seems the voltages from the DC to DCIC is okay. Let's check a short's capacitors. We can easily check a short's capacitors if we put the positive probe to the ground and test the negative probe on every pin of capacitors. And lessen a beef like this. Seems all the capacitors is not shorted.
A few moments later.
This pin number 30 on the DC to DC IC must have 5.5 volts operating voltage, based on the characteristic symbol of this part number. But I measured only 1.198 volts only. Let's put an inject supply on that pin. This is a hard task on this job, because the DC to DC IC pins are too close. One false move and it will be a game over.
A few moments later.
Using a microscope to confirm if it is not shorted. Looks like it's a good solder. Now let's mount the Ticken to the TV unit. Let's jumper on this pin, because it has 4.3 volts and much closer to 5 volts. Now let's plug and check the display. Seems okay now.
A few moments later.
Wala nagpulos gito si Reed gayo, wala na siya shoot maro bento tigahi kay bay. 6 man mo kato. Ya pagabot ni Gilbert, wala na siya dati.
Seems okay now. If you think this channel is informative, please support by hitting the subscribe button and click the notification bell to update on my next video. Once again I am Jerzen. Thank you for watching.